Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all well and safe at your home. In my previous video, I was explaining you the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat from your textbook Honeydew. The first two stanzas I had already explained you, in which I explained that Macavity is a mystery cat because no crime agency was ever able to arrest this criminal mastermind cat during or after his committing a crime. He is too clever to leave any clue or any evidence of his guilt at the crime scene. His brows are deeply lining as a result of continuous planning of crime. So students, now you can see the third stanza on page number 50. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So in these lines, students, the poet is describing the Macavity. Macavity, according to the poet, is a mysterious cat, and the lines is saying that Macavity is a ginger cat. Means in these lines the poet is describing the cat as a ginger cat. Ginger cat means a cat with a coat of orange color. Means the coat of the cat is of orange color, okay, and he is very tall and thin. The cat is tall and thin with sunken eyes. Sunken eyes means उसकी आँखें जो है वो धसी हुई हैं. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Moreover, the poet is adding that if anybody is seeing that cat, the person will all of a sudden recognize the cat that this is the ginger cat, because the eyes of the cat are sunken. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. Now again the poet is telling that his eyebrows are lined with deep thoughts. Whenever a person sees this Macavity, वो देखते हैं कि उसकी आईब्रोज जो हैं वो हमेशा ही तनी हुई होती हैं, मानो वो किसी डीप थॉट में खोया हुआ हो. एंड विच टाइप ऑफ डीप थॉट ही इज़ हैविंग? ही इज़ हैविंग अ डीप थॉट अबाउट planning a new crime, that what new crime he has to do. That type of planning he is always making in his mind. So his head is highly doomed. Means again the poet is describing the Macavity cat, and he is telling that the head of the cat is highly doomed. Doomed means गुंबद. गुंबद होता है ना, जैसे मस्जिद पे गुंबद होता है, and many other buildings are having that gumbad dome shaped roof. तो जो head है उसका cat का, it is also of domed shape. His coat is dusty from neglect. Means he is never careful about his dress. He is so careless that he always neglect his dress, and because of which his dress is always dusty. His whiskers are uncombed, and he is never combing his whiskers. He sways his head from side to side, and he is moving his head from one side to another with movements like a snake. He is moving like a snake from left direction to right direction and vice versa. And when you think he is half asleep, and if you think that Macavity is sleeping, he is half asleep, you are making a mistake, because Macavity is such a mysterious cat that he is always wide awaken. He always remain chaukanna, you can say. He is always planning for new things, that how new crimes should be planned and they should be worked on, and how to get escape from that too. Okay, so students, you come to the last stanza, that is the fourth stanza of your poem Macavity the Mysterious Cat. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a friend in feline shape. Feline shape means related to a cat. A monster of depravity. Monster, you know, and depravity means moral corruption. Corruption means, you can say, dishonest activities, or you can say dishonest behavior of a person. So you may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. So according to the poet, Macavity is a devil. Devil समझते हैं? शैतान. A person who is not considered as a good one. So the poet is telling that Macavity is a devil in the form of a cat. He does not have any value of morality. Means a monster of depravity. Depravity means इंसानियत नाम की, अच्छाई नाम की उसमें कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है. You may meet him in a by street. By street, you can say by chance. If you may meet him by chance in the street or in the square, you may see him in the square. Means if there is no crime, you can watch or you can see Macavity. But when a crime is discovered, you will never find where is Macavity. Macavity, he escapes where the crime is done. And you must be sure that when there is a crime, you will never be able to find the Macavity at the place. So, student, this finishes the explanation of all the stanzas here. Now you have to read the poem and you can find out the word meanings. Okay, tough word meanings you can find out. I will give you some words in the end of the video and you will have to find out the meanings by yourself. And remaining exercises of your textbook we will be doing in the next video. If you have any problem, you can call me, you can message me, and please like and subscribe my video so that when I put new videos, you should be having the link with you for the connectivity of the numbers of the videos. Thank you.